Say hello. Twins. Are we twins? Do we look alike? I think we do. Okay, what's up you guys? So welcome to today's video. For today, I have a nasty gal haul, and I know I'm literally sitting on my bedroom floor. That's because yesterday, your girl got glam, did the whole thing. I actually had lots of fun doing my makeup. I loved how it turned out, my hair. I loved how everything turned out. Filmed the intro for this video. Luckily it was just the intro because I filmed that with a different camera, but my mic completely just like wasn't working. Sugar baby's wondering, Mom, what are you doing on the floor? This is where I usually am. It's usually you on the floor. Mama's on the floor too. So yeah, I'm just refilming the intro for you guys today since I can't use the footage that I filmed yesterday. But today's video is a Nasty Gal haul, and I'm so excited to be working with them again. Nasty Gal is such an affordable place to get so many amazing trendy pieces. You guys know how I am when it comes to clothes. I don't like to spend a ton of money just because I feel like trends are always changing, vibes are always changing, and it's like, why spend so much money on a piece that you really realistically maybe you're not going to be that into in a few months. So I just love how you can really just shop on a budget, spice up your wardrobe. I got so many cute things for fall and winter, including this cardigan, you guys. I'm telling you, I gotta say, maybe this might be the star of the show. I know it's such a simple black cardigan, but you guys are going to be absolutely floored. I'm telling you right now, just trust me. Purchase this cardigan and you're going to be literally floored. It is so soft. I actually am going out on Friday with my mom, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna wear this because it's so cute, so easy to make different outfits. You can wear it with leggings, you can wear it with joggers, you could just throw it on when you're going for a walk or running errands. You can wear it with jeans and a cute top like I'm wearing today. Like, just so easy to style, but it's so incredibly soft and very slouchy. Anyways, I'm not gonna go too into it. You guys will see the haul. So of course, Nasty Gal is sponsoring this video, so huge shout out to them. I'm also gonna leave all of the links to all the items I share in today's haul in the description box down below. The links are affiliate links, which means that I get a small commission if you guys choose to shop from there, but you know that I'm always super appreciative if you guys do choose to do that, so thank you in advance. I'm also gonna link the list the size beside each item because I feel like that makes it easier for you guys for size reference. Also, for size reference, if you are new to my channel, I am 5'1" and I currently weigh 140 pounds, so that kind of gives you a little bit of a size reference on how the items fit on me. So I do of course have a coupon code. I'm going to leave it on the screen for you guys here, and I'm also going to leave it in the description box down below. So if you guys want to see all of the items I got for fall and winter from Nasty Gal, then just keep on watching. Okay, are we not just like completely obsessed with this jacket? It is absolutely everything. I love puffer jackets in the winter, honestly, because it's so easy just to pair with joggers, leggings, and I'll show you guys how this one fits when like you just have it on. I love this fit. It's totally like boyfriend style. I would wear it even with a bodysuit, a lower cut bodysuit, or even just a regular t-shirt. So I think this one is more of an oversized fit because I got this in an 8, which I am a true 8, but it fits like almost like a 10. So if you don't want it to be as oversized, I would get a smaller size. Like, I kind of do wish I got a size 6, honestly, but I still really love this size, and I love the buttons. Very good quality, you guys. Like, this really feels like you paid a pretty penny for it. It really is good quality. Oh my god, you guys, I love this lounge set so much. I haven't tried this piece on until right now, and I'm so in love. It is so soft. It's like a knitted soft material. First off, let's just talk about these pants. Let's lift up the shirt so we can just see how these pants fit. Look at how good they fit. They make you look curvier. Like, they kind of give you this hourglass shape because the pockets stick out a little bit, and then it kind of has like this V. I don't know if you guys can really tell, but the seam kind of comes in like a V shape, and it just gives you like such a curvy fit, and I really love that because a lot of lounge sets, I just don't like how they fit on me. They feel so like, I don't know, I always feel so boxy and like boyish looking in them, but this one has a cute little like shape to you. And then you have the cozy sweater, and I like to tuck in the sweater so that it gives you some shape and you can like stick your hip out a little bit. But if you just want to, of course, lounge around the house and be super comfy, this one has a really nice like ribbed sweater bottom, so it is so cozy. like so incredibly cozy. I love this, and I love this color. This is absolutely perfect just for lounging around the house. I'm not gonna lie, I'm probably gonna wear this on Halloween just to watch movies on the couch, because those are my Halloween plans, by the way. These slippers or slides are the cutest thing in the world. Don't watch my toes. I mean, I got a pedicure like 2 weeks ago, so it's not bad, but anyways, how cute are these slides? Like, so cute, and they're very comfy, very cozy. I love the black. I just love them. This whole fit is so comfy and cozy. Perfect because all of us are pretty much home a lot of the times now. So these cozy outfits are what we need. Something to feel cute but still look good in and be comfortable and cozy. Okay, I am so obsessed with this sweater. It's the most perfect like cream white, and it's so fall appropriate. I love the long sleeves because it just bunches up and it feels so cozy. And then the buttons have like that, I don't even know what to call it. I forgot the name of it, but they're just, I don't know, they kind of look like shells. I just love this sweater. So pretty, and the great thing about it is it can kind of work as a cardigan too. You opened it up and then just let it like be loose and have like a tank top or a top underneath. It's just perfect. Love this. Oh my god, I love this sweater. It has these slits on the side and it just looks so cute and flattering. Like, I'm obsessed with this sweater. Do you guys not love how it looks on me? Love it so much. And again, I just like the little slits on the side because just like a cute little touch, show a little bit of skin, you know? Like, every time in the winter I always just feel so like covered up, which obviously you need to be to keep warm, but I just love how this is just a little sneak peek, you know? I love this. I forgot to put on my shoes, but I just love this sweater so much. And I love like the turtleneck that's kind of all bunched up, and it's actually a pretty long turtleneck too, so it really bunches up nicely. I think it just looks so cute, especially with a pair of jeans, maybe some combat boots, of course sneakers. We all know I'm the sneaker queen. Also, I realized I forgot to mention that this is actually very soft material and it feels really good quality. Like, you would just never guess that it was such an affordable price. It's very, very, very soft. I wish you guys could feel it, but there's the fabric close up. I'm trying to get it so that my camera doesn't overexpose, but there's the fabric close up. It's very, very nice quality. Okay, and then I had to pick up this tee because I just wanted to show you guys how easy it is to style a tee like this. Such an easy piece, and I feel like everyone needs an oversized tee like this in their closet. This one is incredibly soft, like super smooth, the material, and it also is very flowy. So I have it tucked in on the side here for a little bit of, you know, just show a little bit of body, so it's not super boxy. But of course you could do like a super oversized fit and have it kind of just hang down. I love the oversized fit too. Perfect just to throw on when you want to run errands, or you could, you know, like I said, style it up if you really want it to be cute. Tuck it in, wear like a really pretty necklace, a cute bag, and you're good to go. Also, you see how the sleeves are kind of like pulled up a little bit here? That really helps to slim the arms. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but it really gives you like a slimming look. I really like the fit of this a lot, and what's great is you can actually, like, it's so oversized and flowy that you can kind of put it off the shoulder a little bit, and it's just very feminine and pretty. Okay, this is the cardigan that I was telling you guys about. Oh my god, it is literally the best fitting cardigan ever. It is so, like, just look at the sleeves, how they kind of drop a little bit. It's so slouchy and comfortable, and not to mention the material. I wish you guys could feel this. It's so cozy and soft. It really has that cozy feel. Oh, I just wish you guys could feel this, but it is such good quality, and the fit is absolutely everything. I love this. You can pair it and style it so easily. Hang it off the shoulder for a cute look with the bag. Like, this cardigan is everything. Oh my god. I know I've already said it, but I'm like literally obsessed. Love the pockets. And kind of a weird point, but it matters to me. I love how easy it is to throw this over your chest. Some other cardigans that I have, they just don't like throw over the chest easy. You kind of have to like pull it. This one is so like, it's so forgiving, and it gives you so much slouchiness that you really can, like, you know, when you're walking into a store or something, if you want to just like cover your chest, like, I don't know, I just love that about it. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna get a ton of use out of this fall and winter. I also wanted to show you guys how cute these shoes are. They're like the perfect, super sleek. They kind of remind me a little bit of like that Yeezy style shoe. I love them. They do fit a little bit big. Like, I am a size 8 and I do wish I got a 7 in these. So I would definitely recommend sizing down, but I love the super seamless, like almost sleeve fit that they have. I am obsessed with these. I don't know, I just love them so much. So sleek and simple in the front, and then in the back they have a little bit of that sporty touch. I really, really love these, and they're super comfy. Just again, make sure you size down because they are one size a bit big. So that completes the haul, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed seeing the items that I got from Nasty Gal for fall and winter. I hope I give you guys some inspo, some ideas. I feel like I'm going to be living in this cardigan this winter. Oh my god, it's so soft. Like, I feel like I'm gonna be living in it. So I definitely recommend you guys checking out the items. I will leave them all linked in the description box down below. I will also have my coupon code listed down below. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and of course I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.